Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class nursery. Our today's topic is addition using pictures. Addition using pictures. Okay, dear students, in this topic I will solve 2 pages from your book. The name of your book is Maths Avenue Primer A. Maths Avenue Primer A. Okay, dear students, from this book I will solve 2 pages today. These 2 pages here, first one is 65, page 65, and second one is page 66, page 66. Okay, dear students, let us start our class. Dear students, now see, at first I will solve page 65. Now see, dear students, here addition using pictures. Here is not given addition sign, and is given. If and is given, that then you have to understand that and means you have to add, you have to join these two. Okay, dear students, now see, here are 2 balls. How many balls here? 2 balls. Okay, and here are 5 balls. Now if we join these 2 and 5, what we will get? 2 balls means we can write in number, that is 2, and 5 balls means we can write in number, that is 5. So if we add these 2, it means if we keep these balls together, how many balls will be here? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls here. How many balls here? 7 balls. So we can write 7 here. We can write 7. We can write 7. Okay, dear students. Now next question. Next question is 5 locks here, dear students. See locks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is written 5, and here is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 4 locks here. If we keep these locks together, how many will be here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 locks here. Okay, dear students, now see, so we can say 5 and 4 makes, 5 and 4 makes total 9 locks. So we can write here 9. We can write here 9. You will write this number in the blank box. Okay, dear students, now go to the next question. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice creams are shown here. 4 ice creams. So number is 4 here. Now in the second one, here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 ice creams here. So if we keep this together, how many ice cream will be here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say total 8 ice creams here. Total 8 ice creams here. So we can say 4 and 4 makes 8. It means that if we add 4 and 4, this will be 8. Okay, dear students, now go to the next question. See here, these are flowers. These are flowers. How many flowers here? 1, 2, 3. So here is written 3. 3 flowers here. And again here is also 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. So if we keep this flower together, how many flower will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 2 together will be 6 flowers. It means that 3 and 3 makes 6. So we can write here 6. This means that if we add 2 and 5, sum will be 7. If we add 5 and 4, sum will be 9. If we add 4 and 4, sum will be 8. If we add 3 and 3, sum will be 6. Okay, dear students, Now go to the next page. This page is 66, page 66. Now see, what are you looking here? These are ladybugs. These are ladybugs. Okay, dear students. Now count 1, 2, 2 ladybugs here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ladybugs here. And if we join these, we'll get together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 ladybugs. This is done for you. This is done for you. So we can say 2 and 2 make 6. Sorry, 2 and 4 make 6. 2 and 4 make 6. So we can write this using addition sign. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, dear students. Now see the next question, that is, what are you looking here? These are ant. These are ant. Okay, dear students. Count here 1, 2, 3. How many ants here? 3 ants. So here is written 3. Now see here, how many ants here? 1, 2. 2 ants here. So we can write 2. Now if we keep together, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ants? Total 5 ants. So we can say 3 and 2 makes 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. And we can say sum of 3 and 2 is 5. Sum of 3 and 2 is 5. It means 3 addition 2. This will be 5. Now next question. What are you looking here, dear students? These pictures are of butterfly. How many butterfly here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. Okay. Now next one. Here is only one butterfly. So if we keep this together, total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 butterflies. Total 5 butterflies. So dear students, we can say 4 and 1 makes 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. And if we add 4 and 1, that will be 5. Sum of 4 and 1 is 5. Okay, dear students. Now go to the last question of today. What are you looking here? These are chocolates. These are chocolates. Okay, dear students, count how many chocolates here? 1, 2, 3. So here is written 3. And next one is only one chocolate. So if we keep this together, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 chocolates here. Okay, dear students. Now see, 3 and 1 makes total 4. So we can write 3 and 1 makes 4. And if we add 3 and 1, we will get 4. Okay, dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood how to do the addition. Okay, dear students, do this as your homework. Do only page 66 as your homework. Page 66, only this page. Do as your homework. This is your homework number 15. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.